Mondays showed accurate, positive and important news. Maulay Turabi met with Mr. Ahmad Al-Jamal. The Deputy President of Afghanistan Red Crescent Society, Maulay Nuruddin Turabi, met with Mr. Ahmad Al-Jamal, a representative of the Red Crescent Society of Faith. Seized properties of Baghlan Petroleum recovered. Officials of the Baghlan Petroleum and Liquid Gas Department said that seized properties of this department in the Khanjan district of this province have been recovered. These properties include several shops and 4 acres of land that were usurped by a person. A meeting was held with provincial heads of virtue and evil. Amir al-Mu'mineen held a meeting with the provincial heads of the Ministry of Virtue and Evil. Honorable Amir al-Mu'mineen held a meeting with provincial heads of the Ministry of Virtue and Evil. The tax rates of shops and businesses reduced. The Islamic Emirat of Afghanistan has significantly reduced the tax rate to encourage businesses and shops. The second Deputy Prime Minister met with the scholars of the Kashtipar district. Honorable Maulay Abdul Salam Hanafi, the Deputy Prime Minister of the Islamic Emirat of Afghanistan, met and exchanged opinions with scholars, elders and youths of the Kashtipar district during his trip to Jawzan province and participated in the large gathering at the Central Seminary of the district. The fourth edition of Buzkashi kicked off. The fourth edition of Buzkashi kicked off in Kabul yesterday. 14 teams are participating in 4 groups in this mega event. 3 insurgents were killed in Nangarhar. The intelligence forces of Nangarhar province conducted an operation on the hideout of ISKP in the 4th district of Jalalabad, as a result of which 3 rebels were killed. Civilians and security forces were not harmed in this operation. A large number of weapons were discovered in Khost. The intelligence forces of Khost province discovered and seized a large number of weapons and military equipment that was stored illegally in the said province.